Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the WYZE Cam Pan V3, the latest addition to WYZE's impressive lineup of smart home security cameras. This sleek, black, indoor-outdoor camera packs a punch with its features. So, let's get into it. First off, let's talk design. The WYZE Cam Pan V3 sports a modern, compact design that fits perfectly in any setting, whether it's indoors or outdoors. It's IP65 rated, meaning it's dust-tight and protected against water jets from any angle, perfect for withstanding the elements. Setting up the camera outside is a breeze. Just mount it in your desired location, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're good to go. Its 1080p resolution ensures clear, detailed footage, day or night. The standout feature here is the pan and tilt functionality. With a 360-degree horizontal range and 93-degree vertical range, you can cover every corner of your space. Plus, the motion tracking feature automatically follows any movement, so you never miss a thing. One of my favorite features is the color night vision. Most cameras switch to black and white at night, but the WYZE Cam Pan V3 keeps things in color, providing a clearer and more detailed view of any nocturnal activity. Now, this camera isn't just for security. Its versatility makes it perfect for keeping an eye on your baby or pets. The two-way audio lets you communicate directly through the camera, offering reassurance to your little ones or scolding that mischievous pet. And, of course, it integrates seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant. Just ask your smart assistant to show the live feed from your camera and voila. Instant access. To sum it up, the WYZE Cam Pan V3 is a robust, versatile security camera that fits a multitude of needs. Whether you're monitoring your home, keeping an eye on your baby, or watching your pets, this camera has got you covered. It's affordable, easy to set up, and packed with features usually found in much pricier models. If you're interested in grabbing one for yourself, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.